Well, the feast continues, but we're sort of in the seventh inning stretch, so everybody probably needs a little stretch so we can make it through this feast all the way to the end. We've all heard that expression, you know, people who love data, I could eat data morning, noon, and night. Well, instead, we're having technology morning, noon, and night. It's all spaced into one. So my name is Margaret Campbell. I have the privilege of being a senior scientist at the National Institute on Disability and Rehabilitation Research, and I'm moderating Panel 3. So Panel 3, Technologies to Promote Community Integration and Participation, Social Connectedness. We have two presenters and a reactor, and I'm going to make the introductions very brief as well, but really encourage you to look at the bio sketches. And this bio sketch for our first speaker, Judy Brewer, was, I think, hand-delivered to you during the break. So Judy directs the Web Accessibility Initiative at the World Wide Web Consortium, otherwise known as W3C. She is responsible, in that role, she's responsible for coordinating accessibility policy and standardization issues internationally. She's also a principal research scientist at MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, and she's been involved throughout her career in most of the major US-based accessibility initiatives across the government. Judy will be our first speaker. I'm going to introduce everybody right now. Our second speaker is Clayton Lewis. Dr. Lewis is a professor of computer science and a fellow of the Institute of Cognitive Science at the University of Colorado. He is well known for his work. He is also a member of the CHI Academy, and currently he is on leave from the university serving as a consultant on cloud computing at NITR, so he is one of my colleagues. Our reactor is Mark Perlman. And Mark Perlman is the Global Vice President for Oracle's Healthcare and Life Sciences. He's responsible for driving strategic and industry solutions across the organization. He also has a number of other roles. He leads the Healthcare Customer Industry Strategy Council, where he serves as the executive lead with some of the other top healthcare and life sciences companies. So I think we're in for a real treat. Judy, do you have everything you need? Everything except for a mic. I'm gonna,
And while you're doing that and you're introducing people, let me introduce a non-speaker guest. Charlie Lakin is here, who's the director of NIDRR.
thank you. Thank you.
We appreciate very much Dr. Lakin's joining us for this. Thank you. He's also your boss, Margaret.
Thank you. My manners were missing. I'm sorry.